To some crime-related matters now, the Manchester police say they have taken 4 men into custody and seized a motor vehicle after men attempted to break into a jewellery shop on the Mandeville Plaza in Manchester early this morning. 2 of the men are reportedly from Rocky Hill in St. Elizabeth. Another is from Wellington Street address in Kingston and the other from Camps Hill in Clarendon. The police say around 4 this morning while they were patrolling, the men were spotted as they tried to gain entry into the establishment. The burglars had already made a hole in the wall of the store when the police arrived. Several pieces of implements often used in burglaries and a motor vehicle rented from someone in neighbouring St. Elizabeth were seized.